ASAP Systems, an inventory systems provider for businesses of all sizes and a large variety of industries, such as distribution, IT companies, fire and EMS departments, government entities, education, military installations, and much more. ASAP Systems' best-in-class inventory system assisted Total Packaging Company with its inventory management. Total Packaging Company, Inc. is an industry leader in innovative packaging solutions. Like many growing companies, the biggest challenge facing Total Packaging Company, Inc. was the ability to effectively track inventory and oversee stock levels. After an online search and taking advantage of our one-on-one system demonstrations, it was ASAP Systems' user-friendly and flexible barcode-based inventory system that proved to be the perfect solution for the packaging company. Our inventory system provided Total Packaging Company with a wide variety of features to fulfill all of their tracking requirements. The following is a list of some of the features used by Total Packaging Company. The ability to track inventory levels within multiple locations. The alert feature that alerted designated personnel when stock levels fell below their predetermined minimum and maximum levels. Inventory expiry date tracking. We at ASAP Systems aim to equip our customers with the latest innovations and technologies while maintaining ease of use and flexibility. Streamline your business using our barcode-based inventory system, just like Total Packaging Company.